The 2024 Toyota RAV4 gets even more adventurous with the RAV4 TRD Off-Road. Is this compact crossover the one you've been waiting for? We have a complete look at this adventurous option right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, research, and then click Toyota. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The Toyota RAV4 has long been popular with buyers looking for a fun and adventurous crossover that also features Toyota reliability. With the 2024 RAV4 TRD Off-Road, buyers can venture even further off the beaten path thanks to a number of trail-ready options. The standard powertrain features a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline four-cylinder, good for a peak 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. It's connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it also features a more advanced version of Toyota's all-wheel drive system called Dynamic Torque Vectoring All-Wheel Drive. This features advanced traction management enhanced with the Multi-Terrain Select system. Because this is a TRD model, it features unique 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Falken Wild Peak Trail tires. The suspension has also been tweaked for better trail performance. Ground clearance is 8.6 inches, and a skid plate is included to protect the engine. Inside, you get a nice list of available features, including power adjustable seats wrapped in Softex synthetic leather. They're both heated and cooled. You also get a heated steering wheel, sunroof, wireless charging, mud mats, as well as a 10.5-inch touchscreen featuring the latest Toyota infotainment system that includes maps and XM satellite radio, in addition to support for wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. In terms of active safety, the RAV4 TRD is loaded with adaptive cruise control that includes lane centering, collision mitigation, blind spot warning, and even rear cross-traffic alerts. The optional digital rear-view mirror adds even more peace of mind when you're all loaded up with cargo. On the road, the RAV4 is a joy to drive. The peppy engine makes passing easy while still giving excellent fuel economy for the class. The EPA rates economy at 25 miles to the gallon in the city and 32 on the highway. When the road ends, Toyota's advanced all-wheel drive system comes into its own, with the ability to actively shift torque side to side thanks to the Dynamic Torque Vectoring all-wheel drive system. This can also be fine-tuned for current conditions with the exclusive Multi-Terrain Select Mud and Sand or Rock and Dirt settings. There's also a snow mode for those weekend trips to the mountains. If you're looking for a crossover that is as flexible as it is reliable, the 2024 RAV4 TRD Off-Road can take you from town to country to trailhead without breaking a sweat. Pricing on the 2024 Toyota RAV4 starts at $28,675 US, with the TRD Off-Road trims starting at $38,295 US. To learn more or to schedule a test drive, visit your local AutoNation Toyota dealer today. Get started at AutoNationDrive.com.